In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or simply looking to refine your current workflows, this guide will carefully walk you through each step, ensuring you can manage your tasks with improved efficiency. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you want to navigate to your project. This is essentially where all the magic happens, as it's the hub from which you'll control your tasks and monitor your workflow. Once you're on your project page, your next move is to look for the three dots icon. It's often called the More Options button and is typically located in the upper region of your screen. Go ahead and give it a click. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear, packed with options tailored for your project. From this menu, you'll want to select Project Settings. This section is critical, as it opens up personalization opportunities within your project, including managing issues and workflows. Once you're in Project Settings, the next destination is the Work Types. This area acts as the foundation of how you organize and compartmentalize different work tasks. Defining work types builds a clear structure, making task management a breeze. In this area, you'll notice a list displaying all the issue types currently linked to your project. Select the specific issue type you're looking to edit. This step is vital because different issue types may adhere to unique workflows. Ensuring you are modifying the correct issue type is pivotal to maintaining the intended flow of your project. Once you have made your selection, search for the option labeled Edit Workflow. Clicking on this will open up the Workflow Editor, a visual representation showcasing all statuses and transitions associated with your chosen issue type. At first glance, the Workflow Editor might seem a bit complex, but there's no need to stress. Our aim here is to focus on changing a status. Zero in on the specific status you wish to modify and click on it. This action will reveal its details in a panel on the right side of your screen. In this panel, keep an eye out for a pencil icon. This signifies Edit Options. When you click this icon, you're able to change the name or category of the chosen status. This becomes incredibly handy when you need a more descriptive name, or when you wish to rearrange the task flow within your project. Once your desired changes are made, click on Update to apply them within the specific status. But that's not where it ends. To embed your changes into the broader workflow, you'll need to click on Update Workflow. This crucial final step ensures that all your modifications are finalized and integrated. Keeping a current workflow helps maintain team alignment, consequently boosting productivity and enhancing communication. And there you have it. That's how you change the status in Jira, allowing your project workflows to stay flexible and in tune with your team's needs. If you have any questions or wish to share tips on managing workflows in Jira, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.